Welcome to gardenbambooplants.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to revive a chili plant after winter dormancy and bring it back to life for a productive growing season. This particular chili plant you see here has been with me for 3 years. Every winter it goes through a dormant phase, losing its leaves and looking almost lifeless. But each year, by following 2 essential steps, I've been able to revive it successfully, and it continues to produce an abundance of chilies. Let me show you how you can do the same. First, it's important to understand that chili plants grown in pots, like many other plants, including roses, often shed their leaves during winter, even if they are kept indoors. This is completely natural. The plant is conserving energy and entering a resting phase. Many people assume the plant is dead and throw it away, but that would be a mistake. The first essential task is to remove all dead leaves and prune the plant. Carefully trim away any dry, brittle or lifeless parts of the plant. This helps redirect energy to healthy growth. As you prune, look closely for signs of new life, small green shoots, buds, formation of tiny flowers, or emerging leaves. These are excellent indicators that your plant is ready to grow again as we move into spring. Don't be afraid to prune firmly. Chili plants are resilient, and proper pruning encourages stronger, bushier growth. The second and most important step is repotting. Fresh soil provides the nutrients your chili plant needs to recover and thrive. Gently remove the plant from its pot and refresh the soil. Use a good quality topsoil mixed with well-aerated compost. This ensures proper drainage and root health. Ideally, move the plant into a slightly larger pot to allow room for growth. In my case, I'm reusing the same pot for convenience, but if you have the option, upgrading the pot size is beneficial. Once repotted, give the plant a good watering, then place it in a well-lit location, such as a windowsill, where it can receive plenty of natural light. Light is crucial at this stage. It signals the plant that the growing season has begun. From here, continue watering the plant every 2 to 3 days, depending on the moisture level of the soil. Within a matter of weeks, you should start to see new leaves, followed by flowers, and eventually chilies. The key takeaway is simple. Don't discard your chili plants after winter. With just 2 straightforward steps, pruning and repotting, you can regenerate your plant quickly and enjoy a productive harvest again. It's time-saving, efficient, and incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it brings your chili plants back to life. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical gardening insights.